why is the current strength through circuit 1 larger than through circuit 2? Circuit 1 has only 2 resistors, 2 bulbs in series, whereas circuit 2 has 3 resistors, 3 bulbs in series. Notice that both of them have an ammeter in series, but that isn't even relevant because an ammeter has no resistance. It's just like a good conductor, a wire. But it's different to a wire, of course, because it counts the flow of charge. It counts the current strength, whereas a wire just conducts the current. An ammeter can actually measure, but its resistance is like a wire's. It has 0 resistance. So it doesn't make any difference to the current strength flowing in the circuit. So having the ammeter there or not doesn't affect the current strength. And anyway, both of them have an ammeter in. So the real difference between the two circuits is the fact that in circuit 1 there are 2 bulbs and in circuit 2 there are 3 bulbs. Bulbs are resistors. So the resistance in circuit 1 is low, the resistance in circuit 2 is higher. And that's the reason why the current strength through circuit 1 is high, because it's easy for the current to flow where the resistance is low. And that's why the current strength through circuit 2 is low, because it's difficult for the current to flow, so it flows slowly when the resistance is high, when it's very difficult. So why is the current strength through circuit 1 larger than through circuit 2? Because circuit 1 has a lower resistance than circuit 2.